Today, I will show you Roo Code versus Kilo Code, which AI coding tool won't drain your wallet. Roo Code is a fully open source, model agnostic VS Code extension that gives you true zero subscription base, cost you pay only for the AI model usage you choose, or even nothing at all if you use free or local models. Roo lets you run multiple specialized agents, architect, developer, debugger, etc. inside your editor, and handle multi-file refactors, code generation, tests, or browser automation without any built-in hourly fees, making it extremely cost-effective if you're careful with model selection and free tiers. KiloCode builds on Roo's foundation and merges features from Roo and another open-source project, Klein, giving you extra capabilities like a memory bank for persistent context, multiple agent modes, and support for more than 400 hosted or local AI models. Its core extension is also open source and free, and you only pay for what the AI provider charges. No markup, meaning you control costs by picking cheaper or free models, or even running locally. Kilo typically gives new users a free credit around $20 to get started, which makes early experimentation essentially wallet-friendly. The real difference for cost-conscious developers isn't that one lacks features. Both Roo and Kilo avoid subscription barriers and let you bring your own API keys, but how busy you get with cloud agent tasks. Roo's pricing is simpler and lighter since it doesn't layer extra cloud hours, while some Kilo plans also offer pay-as-you-go credits or subscriptions that give larger token allocations without hidden fees. Either way, both tools avoid the kind of flat monthly fees you see in paid AI assistants, so you only spend money on the actual compute you use. The honest 2026 verdict is that neither Roo Code nor Kilo Code will drain your wallet. By default, they're both open source and let you control AI costs directly. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.